guys, very good evening. Today is a very special date, guys, and this time right 10 p.m. and this time right now. So because actually we are making food and this time so making, and this is my Desi chula. You can see, guys, my wife and my daughters here. But because actually I'm learning English and these days, and I want to communicate skill, the improvement myself, and that this is my journey. It was a very difficult, so that you can see, guys, and these days and improved a lot my English journey. But actually I'm so great today, so because actually I want to become a the good speaker. And these days the my you can see, guys, this is my native look, so and I put on my cap also, and that. So please, guys, you want to learn English, and please join this channel. Actually this channel is created only for the beginners, so who people want to learn English and improving and these days. So guys, and today is a very cold in Delhi right now, so because even then actually I am cooking. Actually you can see, guys, behind me, actually this is my Desi chulha, making food. And this time, so most welcome to my YouTube channel, and please you haven't subscribed my channel, so that please subscribe my channel so that you will get notifications on more videos. So guys, I'm very excited, so let's get started how to journey the experience. So everything I will share in this video. So guys, this is a very simple tips I give you, and you can make sentence and whatever you have the vocabularies, and so little bit is make the sentence and practice in everyday English language only language through use thinking and always. And please don't think and over keep it your mind. Please remove your mind, because English is very easy to the speak to anyone and without fear, right? Got it? So English only language, not subject. Okay, so I would like to say and suggest to you guys, please don't join to an institute, and you can speak English totally every day, and you can try and you can speak and every day without any fear. So actually I'm you can see, guys, actually I'm learning English, and this is my location, my environment. This is a native environment, you can see now. And this time actually I don't have more time for make video more that. So whatever I find it chance, I'm making video on my YouTube channel and I practice. Actually I just came from my duty, and so I was thinking because actually I have to go to the cook and these times, and with my family. My family is supporting me always, so very grateful today. So very special, guys, and please come to my home, and please eat something. Okay guys, so this is my and everyone inside. So good night, thank you, bye and take care, and please you should start from today your English. Okay, bye guys, love you.